And good morning everyone, magandang umaga po. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Ayan, so what we're gonna be talking about today is MPI, bumagsak ng bongga, tapos bumalik agad kahapon at umakyat. What happened? What happened with it? So a little discussion about that for today. And then I'm just gonna read a few comments while we wait for the audience to start kicking in. Kahapon, PSEI. Right, let me just go to PSEI really quick. PSEI chart. And PSEI closed at 7915. Amazing. Ganda ng akyat ng market yesterday. So this was expected. We're expecting for the market to reach 8,000 this month. All right. Hopefully mag-breakout naman on top of that. So yes, yun yung inaabangan natin ngayon. Hopefully nakapag-bodega na kayo. Marami akong ni-recommend sa inyo na i-bodega nyo na, and some are already going up. So congratulations mga nakapasok na sa mga na-recommend natin. We're reaching resistance levels, so yung mga blue chip baka bumagal ng konti. But hopefully this breaks out and makes the market go bullish with the international markets. Yung trade war scare is starting to starting to ease out, or nawawala na yung tension with the trade wars. We're expecting even the international market to start going up. Good morning, sir. ISM, ARSN, ATN. Thanks from STV Trader. ATN is in one of my recommendations for today. So, cover po natin yan. Alright, I'm gonna go to the comments. Noel Menano, good morning. Yan, present din. Chris Canilan, good morning. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Then Noel Minano, sir, kamusta pala isdaan? Pa-check naman po si Aba and Home. Yan nga pala, sige. Let's talk about that really quick while we wait for other people. Right, so for those na hindi alam ano yung pala isdaan yung sinasabi nila, right, I want to share this with you. Mangingisda.org. Let me just open my Facebook. Right, so if you go to Facebook and search for mangingisda.org, right, ito po ilalabas. This is our Facebook page. This is for the crowdfunding business that we have shared to everyone. So this is a very good avenue to earn extra income. Right po. How does this work? Ganito po yan. Mangingisda.org has fish cages. Andyan po mga updates. This is the business overview for you guys. So if you want to watch this video, please do, so that you'll understand the business even more. But just to summarize what the business is, mangingisda.org has fish cages, right? And then this organization is a non-profit organization. It's registered as a worker union, right? Workers organization. Nagbebenta po sila ng isda because they don't have funding. The fish cages are meant to, para po yan sa mga bangus, right? Bangus farm. Ang government kasi noon in this area gave out fish cages to these fishermen. Kaso nga lang sobrang mahal ng isang operation, kaya hindi nila na sustain. Hindi sila makapag-loan per operation. Isang cycle costs around 600 to 700,000. So they don't have money. What they do is they go to banks for loans. Kaso nga lang mahihirap po ang mga mangingisda. Wala silang pang collateral, kaya hindi po sila na-approve sa mga bangko. Ang choice lang po nila to get that 600 to 700,000 funding is to go to loan sharks. And alam niyo naman, para rin sila mga farmers natin na pag sa loan sharks, halos yun pinapasweldohan na lang sila. So it's very small. They get very small amounts in the end. Minsan pa nga lugi. Okay? Because nakakain na ng loan sharks ang kita. Okay? So what we did is our organization created mangingisda.org para po ito, may avenue po sila to look for people to help fund the projects, right? So tayo naman na nag-ahanap ng mga investment avenues, alright? So we also provide this as a solution to us na naghahanap ng pwedeng ka-investan. What we do here is pag kakasimula pa lang ng cage, magsisimula pa lang ang cage, parang binibenta na namin yung isda in advance, right? So binibenta namin yung isda in advance habang maliit pa sila, and then since you already own the fishes, kami na po ang mag-aalaga at kami na po ang magbebenta para sa inyo, tapos ibalik namin yung pera ninyo, right? ibalik namin yung, I mean, hindi naman sa ibabalik yung pera, meaning, bibigay namin sa inyo yung kita ng isda na binenta. So, we will be managing your fishes and we will be doing the sales for you. And, yun po, by the end of the year, may kita kayo. Right? Please watch the video for more details. May dalawang video po dito na importante. The introduction video so that you will understand the business. Okay? For the pilot projects, we were able to create 4 cages. Right? So, yung pilot project natin, ang ginagaranti po natin na return was 20% for the sales. For the next coming batches, which will be on January. As of the moment, puno pa po ito ngayon. As of January, sa January na po tayo mag-open. And then, on those naman po ng cages is, for annual is 10 to 20%. We cannot guarantee the 20% anymore. But it should be above 10 to 20%. But we will be harvesting this December, late December or early January para makita niyo po ang yield. Tsaka i-represent po namin sa inyo yung magkano yung binili ng mga tao, magkano yung na-pool natin na funds. And then, magkano yung kita. Para makita nyo naman po. Right, so we only have 4 cages for pilot projects. This is the page where you look for updates. I always update everyone. So, hindi po ito katulad ng iba na wala kang nakikitang isda or anything. Dito po, makikita nyo po, ito yung mga isda. This was the day when we released the fishes into the cages. So, may updates po dito lagi. Habang kine-create yung mga cages, makikita nyo po dyan. Right? So, ito yung hinihila na yung mga fish cages papunta sa malalim. Right, anyways, that's mangingisda.org. So, January, abangan nyo po. We're gonna make another video about this. As early as now, follow the page already para ma-update po kayo kung may mga units, may mga slots na naman mag-open. Kasi limited lang po ang slots. Right? Cages are not unlimited. So, paunahan lang po ito, sadly. Right? So, limited lang tayo. Anyways, going back, ito yung tanong ni Noel Menano. So, Noel Menano most probably bought fishes already early on. Sir, kamusta ang palaisdaan? It's doing well. By the end of October or early November, we will be there to create a full update for you guys because it's already mid-harvest o mag-harvest na tayo this coming December. So, October, dapat makikita nyo na update. So, one of these days, mag-update ako sa inyo. Brian Solier, maing buntag Sir Lloyd, pa-insights po ka, Aveo, ug Netflix. Salamat po. Ayun, meron pa pala si Aba and Home na request ni Noel Minano. Right, so unahin natin si Aba. Aba is here. At least na-discuss ko po sa inyo. It's another investment opportunity for you guys. Aba, at the same time, you're helping fishermen. Aba, okay, maganda naman yung support ni Aba eh. Ang ganda ng pinapakita ni Aba. If you wanna trade this, kasi para sa akin, medyo nakalipad na kasi si Aba. Medyo mahal na siya for me, honestly. Right, so I'm waiting for a massive pullback for ABA. This would have been a great pullback. So this is still okay. I would say yes. Okay pa rin ito considering that it's doing well. Pero pababa yung rin niya, RSI niya. So it's really shaky for me. But we have a support right here and resistance is right there. So malayo pa naman ang resistance. Most probably this is still worth it. So if you wanna trade it, get in your support as much as you can for ABA. And then home, si All Home, very volatile for me still. I still cannot recommend this. Wala po tayong clear na price action. So, malakas mag-whip yan. Baka pag pumasok tayo, lakas din ng pagbaba. Nakikita niyo po itong pulang ito. Diba? Ang lakas. Ang lakas din umakyat. Ang lakas din yan bumaba. So, it's gonna be very hard to trade this unless you're a momentum trader. Yan, Noel Menano, first time nauna ako sa wakas. Natawa si Noel Menano. Congratulations, Noel. STV Trader, good morning, sir. ISM still okay. I recommended ISM yesterday. Nag-green naman siya. So, support is holding on. I'd say yes, it's still a buy. If for traders, use this support. If ever gusto nyo mag-cut loss, below that support po yung magka-cut loss. ATN is in my list for today. So, daanan natin yan in a bit. IRC din. Andyan sa list ko ngayon si IRC siguro. IRC, wala. But IRC has been a buy already in the support. We've been talking about IRC at the support already. I believe I recommended IRC around this level. So, yeah. Dapat pinasok nyo na pa yan. Actually, pwede pa pasukin si IRC ngayon. As long as the support holds. Medyo nakaangat na nga eh. Kaya hindi ko na nire-recommend. I already recommended it days before. So, yes. That should be okay already. King Bakay, good morning, Coach. Green KPPI, DMC, salamat, Coach. Alright, so before we go to that, we already have enough, what do you call this? Tawag dito? Viewers. So we're gonna go for the discussion really quick. Right, so there is this issue with MPI right now where MPI they canceled the IPO of their hospital sector, 'di ba? Their medical sector. So nangyari when that happened, people panicked at akala nila may bad news. Kaya naglabasan ng mga tao, pumula. Right, what happened with MPI? Bumalik sa support and then nag-bounce rin kaagad. So grabe naman bili ng mga tao. So people did not know what happened, why they canceled their IPO, and then because they canceled their IPO, nagbagsakan ng stocks ni MPI. So it opened high but then dropped here, 'di ba? So now yesterday we know why. Alam na natin. So this happened, nag-green siya yesterday, and we now know bakit siya nag-cancel ng IPO. What happened was they received funding from a private investor. So meron silang parang nagbumili privately, hindi through stocks. Binila ang portion ng company. So meaning they already have money and they don't need to go IPO for the meantime. That was the reason why umatras sila. Right? And that's good since they have funding that increases their funds, and that should make the stocks go up already again. And look at the volume yesterday. I would say yes, hopefully makapasok pa tayo dito sa support, but this is a good pullback and bounce already. This bounce may have been very sharp. This pullback may have been very sharp, but that's okay because that was because of fundamentals issue, hindi naman technical analysis issue ito. So we can remove this factor, ito malaking red. But overall, it's still on an uptrend. I'd say yes, tapos na ang downturn ni MPI. I'm gonna buy MPI. MPI is in my recommendation for today. So, for those na nagtataka ano nangyari kay MPI, that is my 2 cents about it. I'd say it's a buy. I'm recommending MPI for today. Volume of MPI is starting to pick up already. Okay, so yan. Brian Solier, may buntag pa-insight sa Aveo International Market. Aveo. Uy, nga pala guys. By next week, I am gonna make a review about this incidents in China. 11 China. Right, so Singles Day. Matindi, grabe. Everything you need to know about Singles Day, right? I want to make a review about it. Ito yung parang Black Friday. Alam niyo po yung Black Friday ng what they call this, ng US, na sobrang laki ng kinikita ng US because of that. I want to make a review about this because Singles Day is coming, and if you just know how massive this is, yung Black Friday ni US napakaliit lang sa kinikita ng Singles Day. So I want to discuss about this 11/11. Most probably next week gagawa ko ng video about dito and how we can take advantage of this event right here. Okay? So sila Lazada magagawa rin ng 11/11 eh. 11/11 Lazada. Right? So alam niyo naman si Lazada, in-check rin may-ari niyan. Right? This is under Alibaba. So they're starting to Lazada 11/11, so the biggest one-day sale. So they're trying to expand this to Southeast Asia. So this is a very good opportunity for us to earn if we just understand this incidents, this event. Ang laki niyan, right? We're gonna make a review about that. Ayun, speaking of Aveo, ayan na si Aveo, nag-load na. Right, so Aveo, big spike on the support. Yeah, we talked about the support of the past few days, 'di ba? After the gap up, it created the support right here. So congratulations if pumasok kayo sa support. Massive bounce for Aveo. So yesterday 11.84%. So I would want, if ever hindi pa kayo nakapasok, wait for the pullback and bounce na lang. But this was a very good find. Congratulations. Sino nga ba ito? This is from Brian. And then Netflix. Si Netflix nasa support pa rin. So I'd say may resistance na pala. Dito ako pumasok kay Netflix when I thought it was a support, pero bumagsak, and then there it is, we're reaching that level again. So, I'd say yes, ang laki pa rin, ang laki ng earnings ni Netflix yesterday. Dow Jones leads big earnings movers. The stock market really holds strong. And so, with the earnings then ni Netflix, I'd say this is gonna do a breakout. Kung gusto niyo pong pumasok, at hindi pa kayo nakapasok, use a breakout strategy. Sana nag-average down ako kay Netflix. Hindi ako nakapag-average down. I wasn't expecting the trade wars kasi na humupa. But that's still okay. We are holding on to our Netflix, what do you call this? To our Netflix entry. Okay? So, yan. That's for Netflix. For you guys who wanna participate in the international market, you can by joining us with trading with eToro. Pwede po kayo mag-trade on your own. Like me, I'm trading stocks on my own. But the best thing is sa mga newbies dyan, meron pong copy trading. This is where you just look for good traders. For example, hanap kayo dito ng si low risk scores. Ito si JK69, one of the best people you can copy. Ang galing po ng trader na ito. His risk score is only 4, so meaning average lang po siya. At low risk, considered still a low risk player, but his return is 55.6% for the last 12 months. That's amazing. If ever last year kayo pumasok sa kanya at kumopya, you would have earned 55.6% also. So JK69, so look at that. October, he's negative 2.48, but overall, his other months are doing very well. Okay? So, yes, he's already up 36.67 for this year. So, amazing, di ba? Ang galing ng tao na ito mag-trade. So, if you wanna copy him while he's down, mas ganda po kopyahin habang pula pa because his positions might go up right now with the market starting to go up. So, whatever he earns onwards, you are gonna earn also. Okay? Ito lang importante, if you wanna join us and create an eToro account, if you create an eToro account, please use my link andyan po sa video description. Please use that link because that helps the channel a lot para po makontinue natin ito mga libre na mga pag-aaral natin, sharing our knowledges, our seminars as much as possible. We make it for free. And this is helping us a lot if you create the account using my link. Yun lang po to support the channel. Okay? I'm gonna talk about the seminar later on. We have a good seminar coming up for you guys. Sino pa yan? Aveo and Netflix. Yes, si Netflix hawak ko pa rin. STV Trader, good morning sir. ISM and IRSN ATN. We covered that. King Bakit, good coach. Good morning. Kamusta coach? Green, KPPI, DMC. Salamat po. Green. Si Green naman. Uy, mukhang nagbo-bottom. Hindi yan. Ibang green yon sa international market yon. Bakit nasa baba si green? Umakyat yun noon, di ba? So, green, we are already seeing a head and shoulder pattern. So, I think tapos na itong uptrend ni green. I don't want to get in as of the moment. This might be a good support. Let's see what will happen kay green. If it breaks out from this bearish signal, then that's a good entry point for green. But for now, wag po muna, right? We're seeing a cup and saucer na pattern, diba? So, cup and saucer pattern. So, breakout would be very beneficial for green. Best breakout would be from this resistance right here. Ito yung pinakamalakas na resistance. Pag nag-breakout din dyan, definitely get in. KPPI is still very volatile. I still cannot recommend it. Nga pala. Hindi, si home pala yung volatile. So, KPPI, we already have price action for KPPI. So, it's moving sideways as of the moment. So, sideways trade po tayo. It's either we buy here at the support or we buy at the breakout. So, abang na. DMC. Sabi ko sa inyo, bodega news DMC eh. Right, so I recommended bodega for DMC here. This would have been a good buy again area after this engulfing pattern. DMC is already doing well. Alright, this is a pullback and bounce for DMC and the volume. Look at the volume spike here. Kapal na ng volume ni DMC at this level. So this is still very good for DMCI. I'd say yes, you can still buy DMCI. May resistance lang tayo na coming at ito yung pinaka mabigat for him. So it's kind of tricky if we try to chase it. Dapat noon dito tsaka yung kung nakapag-average lang tayo. The best entry is the breakout for this, okay? Breakout yung pinakamaganda. And then ang hirap Medyo challenging yung position nyo ngayon. But this is a pullback and bounce. So if you can enter at a very sharp entry point dito sa support niya, then that will still be okay for DMCI. But overall, ang ganda pa rin ni DMCI. Ang recommendation ko dito is bilhin nyo lang ito, bodegahin nyo. If ever it goes further down, then just buy more, right? Ang ganda po ng company na ito. We have divergence already. So overall, andyan pa rin sa baba si DMC. I'd buy it still. Okay? Bodegahin nyo lang para sure. For these positions na medyo ang hirap, bodegahin nyo na lang. Alright? If it goes further down, then just buy more and average down. KPPI DMC yan. JD Gonzalez, sir. Now, please. Salamat, sir. Maayong good morning. Alright, si Now. Medyo mataas na si Now eh. Right? Recommended Now here. Nakalipad na si Now. We're waiting for good pullback. Wala pa tayong parang clear na pullback for Now. So, it's really hard to say right now kasi layo ng support natin. So, we don't have any position as of the moment. We need a pullback and bounce before we want to enter Now. But right now, medyo challenging na pasukin si Now kasi medyo nakalipad na. So, not recommending it. Sir, good morning. This is from All Sunday. Pwede pong ask ano nangyari sa stocks kapag may SRO. Yan. So, stocks pag may SRO. Yan. For example, sino ba yung mag-SRO? Was that MPI? Si MPI mag-SSRO, di ba? Stock rights offer. Ang problema niyan is magbebenta sila ng stocks. Ang problema talaga is usually may negative impact yan. Okay? Pero konti lang naman eh. As long as the company is good, wala namang problema yan. Right? So, yeah. The problem there is supply and demand lang. The law of supply and demand. By nature, especially now that the market is very thin. So, usually negative ang effect yan. Pag marami ang supply, kasi maglalabas sila ng stocks, pag marami ang supply, bumabagsak kasi konti lang ang demand ngayon. Okay? That's the problem with stock rights offer. Requires holders to shell out money for new shares that would be issued to them. Okay? Pwede kayong mag-subscribe, pwede kayong hindi. But yeah, usually on our market, since it's a bearish market, I think it's gonna make an impact and pull the stocks down because of the supply. But usually kasi sa international markets, hindi naman gaanong nakaka-affect yan, especially if the company is a good company. Because it goes with their what do you call this? Their market value talaga yung sa international market. Kasi may volume doon. And for sure, may makakabili. Walang problema. Dito sa Pilipinas, ang nipis ng volume kasi ng market. Kaya apektado kayo tayo sa mga ganito. So yeah, it might have a negative effect on the stock. Rafael Dominguez, Coach Lloyd, tanong ko lang, pag nag-add ako ng fund ulit sa eToro, kailangan ba, Coach, $100 ulit ilagay? No, you can already add with just $50 if ever nakapag na kayo. I'm not sure, $50 or $100 in between that lang. Okay, doesn't need to be $200 on your next funding. Initial funding lang in $200. Rob Legaspi, right, so let me see. Rob Legaspi, Richard Allen, Jay Balisay. Rod Legaspi, your message got retracted. Ewan ko bakit. Baka may na-detect sa YouTube lang. Richard Allen, Jay Balisay, good morning, sir. Lloyd, pasilip ni SSI, CPG, and CLI. Si SSI, nasa picks ko ngayon. Si CPG, SSI, daanan natin yan mamaya. CPG, by as long as the support holds, this is a good company. It's on a good road of recovery. So, recommendation ko dito, bodegahin nyo lang po yan. Ang ganda ng takbo ni CPG ngayon. CLI naman, Cebulan Masters, one of my favorite stocks. Uy, nasa support na naman tayo for CLI. This is good. Alright, pag nag-bounce ito, this is a confirmation of support. You can test that out if you want to trade it. Rob Legaspi, good morning po. What's your insights po kay Fin? Fin is doing well, right? It's doing well as a company, especially yung mga developments nila ngayon. So, yes, this is a very good climb for Fin. It's just that, for us position traders, we don't have position right now. So, kahit lumipad po yan, huwag kayo maiinggit. Maiinggit kayo niyan, saka kung pumasok kayo dyan, baka bumagsak na. Remember, this is about time to take profits, right? Konti lang po ang investors sa market natin ngayon. And this climb is already 32%. Yung mga nakahabol pa nga, kahit kahapon lang, kahit mga nakahabol kahapon, I mean, yes, the other day, it's already 16%. So, it's about time to take profits here. So, bentahan na yung levels na yan. Konti lang ang investors, walang mag-hold gaano. Mga chupitero, mga tao, magte-take profits yan. So, konting ingat muna. Best to wait for a pullback and bounce for FEN if you want to enter. Okay, Becca Tangan, hi Sir Lloyd, good morning. Any insights po kay ACB, ISM, and LHC in DNL? Si LHC, umakyat na. Right, LHC, recommended this at the support. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok noon sa support. We are playing at resistance levels. I don't want you to get in. Nag-attempt siya mag-breakout yesterday? No. Hindi ka nakapag-breakout yesterday. So, we're still at resistance levels. We don't know for sure where this is going. So, I don't want to recommend LHC right now. I recommend it here at the supports. So, yeah. Okay na si LHC. Si DNL naman, bodega ang recommendation ko for DNL. If it goes further down, then just keep buying more. If we see a green, then that's a buy for DNL. DNL overall is a good company. Wala lang market sentiments right now for DNL. ISM, still at the support. It's still a buy for me. And then ACB, ito si ACB. Sa international market si ACB. Right, Aurora Cannabis. We're starting to reach very good levels for Aurora Cannabis. If we can see a support anytime soon, pwede na natin pasukin yan sa ACB. Right? Becca Tangan, hi Sir Lloyd, good morning. Wala pa rin reply si Irish. Sino po pwede kausapin? Thanks po. Bakit wala pa rin silang reply? Let me take a screenshot. Give me 1 second. I'll send this right away while we're doing live. I'll send a message to eToro team about this, okay? eToro team. Right, so yeah, I sent them a message, right? So, antayin ko lang ang reply nila, Becca. Okay, Joseph B, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pasili po DMC if good pullback na ba? Si DMC, pullback ba si DMC? Yeah, may bounce si DMC, yun yung alam ko. So yeah, this is a good buy already for DMC. I'd say yes. DMC is in my recommendations for today. If makita nyo po lista ko, this is my pick for today. Andyan po sa comments, just commented it. Yes, so DMC is in my picks for today. I'd say yes. And Joe Salak, kumain buntag Sir Lloyd on sa insights ni mo kay M-Wide. Ano insights natin kay M-Wide? I recommended M-Wide to start nyo na ibodega si M-Wide at this support right here. So, wala pa tayong green. So, mga hindi pa nakabili, antay tayo ng green. But I'd say, bodegahin niyo po ito si M-Wide. Very good company. Ang daming projects nito ngayon. Right? So, if ever may nakikita kayong mga negatives dyan, that is because of the projects of expansions right now that M-Wide has. So, once those become fruitful, magpa-positive yan sa Megawide. Definitely, very good company to get into. Ibodegan nyo na po yan. Sir, IRC FB po. Si IRC is a buy. FB, sorry, hindi ko na share yung ano ko kanina. IRC. Right, so IRC is a buy already. Si DMC is already on a good pullback. I'm recommending DMC. Cover natin ulit yan mamaya. Si FB, ito, si FB, the support is holding strong. So, bias lang support holds for FB. Si M-Wide, kanina, hindi ko na share ang screen. M-Wide, pag may green yan, that's a buy for me. Pero, my strongest recommendation is ibodega niyo po si M-Wide. Very good company right now. Sean Forsey, good morning. Juvie, good morning din. Insights po kay Meg and DMW. Si Meg, na walang walay. Yes, umakit pa rin si Meg. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Meg when we recommended it. I cannot recommend a buy more yet. We don't have a good pullback as of the moment. So, I'm not seeing any buy signals. In DMW, one of my favorites. Then, We recommended DMW here. Nagre-resistance siya. Breakout will be a good entry for DMW. Edward Vince, good morning, Sir Lloyd. DNL and MBT, Starbucks. DNL is very good. Bodega nyo pa rin po habang nasa baba pa. MBT and S-Box, so Starbucks. MBT. So, Metro Bank, so far so good. As if you can get in near the support, this is where I've been recommending Metro Bank. If it goes back to support and you're able to get in, then get in MBT. Right? We have a resistance right here. So, konti ingat lang kay MBT as of the moment. Doon tayo sa support pumasok. Si Starbucks, may Starbucks rin ako eh. Kamusta yung Starbucks ko? Negative 44 pa Starbucks. So, that means Starbucks is still playing at the support levels right now. So, andyan pa rin tayo si Starbucks. Breakout po ang strategy natin kay Starbucks. And it's still confirming that support for Starbucks right there. So, yes. Yan. Yan. Magre-release na ng fourth quarter earnings si Starbucks after market close on Wednesday. So, we're expecting... Is this a... October 30, sa October 30. So, we're expecting volatility on this date right here. So, yeah, but I think malakas pa rin si Starbucks. Kita nyo naman kalakas si Starbucks dito sa Pilipinas alone. Diba? Intel. Right, Starbucks. I will be recommending Starbucks. So, mga gustong pumasok kay Starbucks, you have to create an eToro account para mag-invest kayo sa international market. So, mga may eToro na dyan, Starbucks, if you wanna trade on your own, breakout strategy for Starbucks, kaka-confirm niya lang ng support niya. Breakout strategy, di ba? Yung breakout, yung previous resistance is our support and it has confirmed the support for how many days already. So, I'd say yes. And then plus, there's coming news. If you wanna speculate about this news, pumwesto na kayo. If you think it's gonna be doing well, pumwesto na po kayo. And then just cut loss. Right? Lagay nyo lang po ang stop loss ninyo if ever mali tayo. So, this is a very good speculation avenue, si eToro. Kasi pag tama tayo, this should go up and we're already in. Pag mali tayo, may stop loss naman tayo. Okay, so, Intel, it's Intel. Grabe, ang taas ng Intel. Ayaw akong bigyan ng pullback ni Intel. So yeah, it's gonna be very hard. I don't want to recommend it right now because it's at the top. As much as possible, wait for the pullback and bounce for Intel if you want to get in Intel. Okay? UPS for the US market, Parcels Group. UPS, Parcels Services Incorporated. Ayan, si UPS. Antay natin na earnings ni UPS. Abang lang tayo. We have a support right here. Kaso nga lang, we also are seeing lower highs. So, this is gonna be challenging for UPS. The earnings should be able to boost it up. If ever maganda earnings niyan, it should break out and breakout entry po tayo. Okay. You're welcome, Edward. John Cornejo, good morning. Oliver de Guzman, Fencer. Si Fen, masyado mataas na po yan. Stay away from it. Antay tayo ng pullback or bounce. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na baka hindi na yun umakyat. No one can predict the market. It's just that we are position traders. We have no positions there. Huwag kayong maiinggit. If the moment maiinggit kayo, then you can do day trading. If you don't know how to do day trade, then wag na lang. Okay, Richard Alan Bulise, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pagsilip sa AGI. AGI recommended it a few days ago and it's already starting to go up. Congratulations. Masyadong risky na siya pasukin ngayon eh. Cannot recommend that anymore, especially for trading. Si MBT, still a buy. Meg, wala pa tayong pullback kay Meg. Si Ali din, ang lakas pa ng akyat ni Ali. Sabi sa inyo, budagan niyo si Ali. Right? So anyways, Ali, nasa resistance na tayo. I cannot recommend that also. Antayin lang, hopefully bigyan tayo ng, what do you call this? Hopefully bigyan lang tayo ulit ng support ni or pullback ni Ali. Masyado mataas na. Sir, laki ng tinaas ni Netflix. Right? Laki ng tinaas ni Netflix. Yes, totoo po yan. Right? So, Netflix, I am into Netflix. Still, kaya ako nila long term sa Netflix, di ba? So, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Netflix dito sa baba. Lakas na ni Netflix. It's just that may resistance tayo ngayon. Lakas ng volume ni Netflix yesterday. So, we're expecting Netflix to still go up. Ang lakas ng earnings ni Netflix. Okay? So, good expectations for Netflix for today. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Netflix. Pwede nyo pang pasukin yan. Use a breakout strategy if hindi pa kayo nakapasok. Emily Gultiano, good morning. Elma Barbudo, DNL and ISM Bodega, average down pa rin po. For DNL and ISM, I'd say yes. Kay ISM, wag po malaki masyado. Right? Just start right now while hindi pa po tayo nagsisimula kay dito mag-deploy. Once dito deploys and services are gonna be good, maglilipatan ng mga tao dyan, and then that's where we start adding more. It's just that, maganda na ngayon, habang maaga pa, meron na tayong konting position kay ISM. Huwag po mag-all in. It's still speculative as of the moment. Wala pa tayong fundamentals dyan. DNL, yes, DNL is good. I'd say bodega for DNL. JR, bakit wala pa rin po yung bonus sa eToro? Nag-extend po tayo ng promotion. Konting be patient, please, JR. Dapat end of this week lalabas yan, pero in-extend nila yung promotion to accommodate others. So, hanggang October 18 pa po. Sabay-sabay po ibibigay ang bonus sa eToro. So, wait lang. Never po akong pumalya sa bonus. So, I assure you, it will go there. Alright, so JR, abang lang. Right? Codename Acero, good morning, sir. If hindi po ibibigyan ni eToro, ako po magbibigay niyan personally. Codename Acero, good morning, sir. I bought Vita at 2.07. Do you think babalik pa siya sa 2 pesos level? Vita. Right, so Vita, taas ng bili mo, kuya. 2.07. This is a trading stock. Right, so most probably you bought it here. Dapat nagtatlos tayo dito. So anyways, what you do here is, I cannot say if aabot siya. No, bakit ayoko sabihin kung babalik ba siya sa 2.7? Kasi I'll just be giving you hope. Okay? So mahirap po yan. I don't want to give you hope kasi this is a trading stock. If ipit po ka ngayon, I don't recommend you add more funds in it to average down. What I want you to do is go to one of my videos. Go to YouTube and search for average down Lloyd Bazar. Right, so average down Lloyd Bazar and search for this video. How to average down without adding money in stocks. Right, so this is going to be very helpful for you if ever ipit po kayo sa isang stock. Ito po yung gamitin ninyo na strategy. Okay, para makabawi po kayo. Pwede po kayo mag-average down without adding funds to a stock. So yun po ang mai-recommend ko sa inyo. I don't want to feed your hope saying na kung makakabalik pa siya sa 2 pesos level. Okay? Robert Niserio, sir, SLI, sir, please, thanks, Santa Lucia Land. It's 8:55. We're gonna start my picks at around 9 o'clock. Santa Lucia Land, if you see this, guys, this is a bearish signal already. Right, this is a bearish divergence. I would be short selling it already. We are already seeing lower highs. So that's bad news for SLI. I don't want to recommend SLI as of the moment. And I don't even want to recommend it on this MA20 kung mag-bounce siya kasi mahirap na po yan. Okay? And masyadong mataas na po si SLI. Marami pong stocks na nasa baba pa, doon tayo mag-focus as much as possible. Okay? And if ever gusto niyo mag-speculate kay SLI, well, all I'm seeing right now is bearish signals after bearish signals, may divergence. So I cannot really recommend it. Hopefully, mag-bounce sa MA20 if gusto niyo po mag-speculate sa kanya. Okay? But right now, signals are saying it won't go up. So, konti ingat muna sa SLI. Alan Pablo, PNB, sir, may SRO. Si PNB pala yung may SRO. So, PNB may SRO, that might affect PNB, would go down. Si PNB ba nasa, isa to sa mga wina-watch list ko ngayon si PNB eh. So, if the SRO happens, it might go on a further downtrend, but andito yung pinakamagandang support ni PNB. May bands yata si PNB, di ba? May news yun. News, yan, disbursement proceeds, progress report. I'll look into that later on. But right now, I'm not also seeing any buy signals for PNB. So, it's not hindi pa siya natin titignan muna. Yan. So, RJ, sir, good morning. ISM is still a buy for traders. Andyan sa support ngayon. Maris Hussein, Suwasin pala, sorry. Good morning, sir. Pasilip po, CSM. Okay po bang pumasok? CSM. Yeah. challenging si SM ngayon eh. Malapit tayo sa resistance ni SM ngayon. This is challenging for me. It's in between support and resistance. I don't want to recommend it, especially for trading. Maybe if you can bargain and get in near support, that's a good entry for SM. Excuse me. So, challenging si SM, I cannot recommend it. I cannot recommend to enter right now. Oliver Richard Lucanas, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Watching you with my 7-year-old daughter, Anika Ariel. Good morning, Anika. I know this is not understandable for you right now, but hopefully when you grow up, you are gonna be guided properly by Mr. Oliver. Right, Edris Haji Salik, morning, sir. How about DMC po? DMC is in one of my picks for today. So, dadaanan natin yan. Joshua Valenzuela, good morning, sir. Gaano katagal mag-reflect yung deposit sa eToro if made through BDO? Abot po kaya ako sa promo if nag-deposit ako this afternoon? If you use your debit card, diretso po yan. If ever you use Dragon Pay, usually nasa 3 hours. So, aabot pa kayo. Hanggang 18 pa naman yung promotion natin. So, last day po bukas. Sir, pasilip po sa Aba. Aba. Okay, so Aba, yeah, dito sa support, if you can get in your support, Aba could be good for trading. Pero, cut loss lang kasi masyadong mataas si Aba. Baka magbonggang downtrend pa yan. This is from Christian Fortus. Sean Forcy, Sir Lloyd, SMPH, may manok na pula. Sana bounce lang. Bounce lang. Si SMPH, you have to sell half already. Dapat nung pulang manok, nag-sell half na kayo, right? We are already playing inside the Bollinger Band. So, meaning, pahina na yung momentum niya. So, you should have sold half already. At least may bounce kayo. But, yung mga nakapasok when I recommended it, mag-sell half na kayo, please. Wag po yung ma-inlove sa stocks ninyo. Because this is the market is not bullish, limited lang po ang uptrends natin, hindi po umaakit ng katagalan. So, konting ingat sa SMPH, sell half already for those who entered it during my recommendation. Right, congrats. What do you call this? Enjoy your earnings. Gil Abuero, good morning, Sir Lloyd, watching from Singapore. Thanks for sharing your knowledge. Thank you so much din, Albuero. Good morning po sa inyo dyan. Alfie James, naputol yung comment mo. Real Lego, good morning, Sir Lloyd. AP, uptrend pa rin po ba si AP? Ito yung isa sa mga nahuli natin sa baba recommended AP here. Hindi ko na nahuli si AP dito sa pullback na ito kasi intindi ng pullback. So right now, I cannot say if uptrend pa si AP because we are seeing lower highs and nag-break na siya ng MA20 niya. This would have been a good entry for AP, itong uptrend nito. But right now, wala pa. Very hard to say. We have a resistance coming for AP. Hanap tayo ng bagong position because it's very hard to chase it right now. So, konting ingat kay AP RIA, okay? I'll go to my recommendations na. Again, let me share my recommendations. Right. So, before the recommendations, I want to shout out the seminar kung gusto niyo pong matuto mag-trade. Right? We have a very good seminar for you. Let me just open the seminar for you guys. Okay, so the Billionaires Club, ayan. So we have a seminar this November 10 and 11, right? November 10 and 11. That's 6 p.m. and 5 p.m. This is recorded, so don't worry if hindi kayo maka-join as long as you register. Andyan po yung registration form. Just register for the event. This is a free webinar. So, Miss Raquel, nalagay ko po dito is 13th, but last month, this is the trading challenge. So, this month, Raquel, sa lahat ng participants all over Asia, she's already top 53 right now, and she's already earning 35.01%. Amazing, di ba? So, Miss Raquel is already on the 53rd place, which is not bad for a Filipina, di ba? She's doing day trading. This ranking only shows the top 200. So sa top 200, number 53 siya, and there are so many traders who have joined this trading competition. Top 200 lang pinapakita dito. She's already 53, so that's amazing. She's still working her way up. The point here is she is sharing her knowledge to you guys. and so you can learn how to day trade. Okay? November 10, November 11, the seminar is for free. All you need to do is go to my Facebook page and register there. May mga tanong dyan, kailangan ba talagang gumawa ng different accounts for Lloyd? Yes, we're gonna be doing day trading as much as possible. I want you to separate your investing account with your day trading account. I-separate po natin yan para yung emotions niyo sa day trading hindi masali doon sa investing account niyo. You're gonna be doing, baka magkamali-mali kayo on your investing account kasi nahihila ng yung emotion ninyo, nahihila ng day trading ninyo. So as much as possible, create a different account for the seminar. Okay, creating a secondary account is gonna be very, very fast. Just make sure you use my link again in creating a different account. Okay. So yan, November 10 and 11, registration is still ongoing. We already have 200 registrants, and huwag niyo po sasayangin yung opportunity. Okay? Anyways, unlimited naman itong ito. Unlimited naman yung webinar natin. So, for registration. So, yeah. Register there. Okay, going back to our picks. So, RB, she always watches the daily grind still. Again, she will be sharing the knowledge to you guys for free. Huwag po natin sasayangin. If you wanna make trading your career, this is the seminar for you. Okay, una sa picks ko, si Manok na Pula. Paborito nga ngayon si TEL, right? PLDT, just for trading, we have confirmed supports for TEL already, good price action. Pataas na yung RSI ni TEL, meaning wala na nagbebenta. So this might be a good support. Alright, strictly for trading, just cut your losses if ever mali tayo, but this support has been confirming already and is backed up by RSI's divergence. So I'm saying TEL is a buy already. MPI, this is a pullback and bounce for MPI. I will recommend MPI for today. We just discussed what happened with MPI today, so it's a buy. DMC, all right, it's a pullback and bounce already, so I will want to enter DMC already. Tanggalin ko lang itong mga drawing na ito, ang gulo na. Cancel. So this is a pullback and bounce for DMC already. What I can recommend is pwede nyo nga itong bodegahin eh. You just do test buy now. If it goes further down and creates a new support again, you just buy more on the supports. But overall, DMC is already very cheap, kaya pwede nating bodegahin ito. It's the cheapest it has been for how many years? Na-reach niya po yung unang presyo niya noong 2013 pa. So that's how cheap DMC is right now. So yeah, pwede nyo pong bodegahin ito. Massive supports for DMC. Next kay DMC is SSI. SSI, I'm recommending SSI for the longest time. Inirecommend ko na ulit si SSI. We already have divergence levels for SSI, and we already have good price action and confirmation support, and we have a good volume spike on this support bounce confirmation. Use this support as your entry point. SSI, for me, hinog na ito. Actually, pwede nyo itong bodegahin kasi may massive support na ito dito. So yeah, but yeah, for trading, just follow a cut loss if you need to, right? So yes, SSI hinog na. Isa yung paborito ko ngayon. Tech is also good for today. Tech, we have a confirmation of the pullback and bounce. Massive divergence for Tech already. This means that wala na talaga nagbebenta naman talaga kay Tech, kaya hindi na bumabagsak kaano yan. It's just that wala pang buyers kay Tech. But yeah, it's a good start. You can test this support if you want to trade Tech. Next is ATN. ATN is confirming the supports right now. So, yes, divergence pa rin kay ATN. So, this is still very good. Konti lang ang sellers. Yun nga lang, wala rin buyers. So, it's a stalemate right now. Divergence lang pinapakita ni ATN sa atin. Once volume kicks in, that should be able to go up. And lastly, si MRSGI. MRSGI, after this massive spike, nag-pull back siya. And then there it is. Bounce. That's good price action already. Though we have descending triangle here, yung natin, yung RSI natin momentum na kasi. Actually, pwede itong this is a good pullback, and then this is a bounce I want to recommend because of the price action. If you are conservative, you can wait for a breakout from this downtrend just to be sure, okay? But right now, it's already okay for me. Okay, so those are my picks for today. I'm gonna go back to the comments of everyone. Alright. And yan, so John Vincent Pleto, JFC, Sir Lloyd, thanks. JFC. Alright, so JFC, hirap na habulin. Right, JFC, hopefully may pullback tayo at MA20. For traders, MA20 natin abangan. But overall, I will still recommend JFC. Pasukin nyo na po yan habang maaga pa. Hindi natin alam kung saan yung pupunta. If ever, abangan nyo pa sa susunod, akala nyo bababa. But if hindi bababa, hindi na kayo makapasok. Diba? For investors, just get it. Traders, wait tayo ng massive pullback. Kung hindi tayo bigyan, then huwag natin pasukin. Alfie James Aguia, may buntag Sir Lloyd, pa shout out sa pinakagwapo na hindi gwapo. Gwapa na akong asawa maan. Happy month, sorry. Happy wife, happy life. More power, sir. Solid fan here from Cebu and Ormoc. Okay, good morning. Happy wife if hindi alam ang password ng port mo. Joke lang. Alright, good congratulations to you guys. Happy month, sir. Po sa inyo. Joe Salak, sir, thanks, sir. Last na po, how about FMETF? Any insights po? FMETF has been flying because the market is doing well. Right? So, FMETF. Pwede kayo numaretso sa FMETF na lang pagbili. Right? So, FMETF, mukhang magpo-pullback pa si FMETF. We'll wait for the pullback for FMETF and then bounce before we wanna get in. Kasi may resistance tayo dito. I don't wanna recommend FMETF right now. Joshua De La Cruz, now po, Sir Lloyd, breakout point support po ba yun? Yes. Si Now, wala pa naman breakout si Now, but it's doing pullback right now. Pag breakouts kasi, yes, ang previous resistance, it becomes supports. Like Netflix right here. So let me just remove these lines. Was that Netflix ay hindi si Netflix. Sino ba yung stock na hawak ko na nag-breakout and nasa support pa? I don't remember, but yeah. Previous supports, previous resistance will become a support for breakouts. Okay? Asa na ako? Ayan, dito tayo. Xerxes, MPI is recommended. Si Now, nag-pullback pa. Iwas lang muna AGI, antay na lang natin na susunod na entry point for AGI, recommended it dito and lumipad na po sa AGI. So susunod na lang na pullback and bounce tayo pumasok. Jeff Trajano, Fen po, tuloy-tuloy po ba yan sa pagtaas? Hindi po tayo manghuhula, hindi po natin manghuhulaan yan. All we can do is, if it pulls back and gives a bounce and it's still on an uptrend, that's our entry point. Right now, it's up there, it's not our entry point, so I don't want to recommend it up there. Baka maipit lang po kayo kasi mag-take profits na po yung mga tao. Okay? Lira Newbie, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Madedelay pa ba ang bonus natin sa eToro, sir? Di pa kasi pumasok. Yes, because nag-extend po tayo ng promotion. Lyra Newbie. So most probably next week na mabibigay yon because we extended the promotion for this week to accommodate more people to fund. Sayang kasi. Right? JR, if nag-copy trade sa eToro, need pa ba mag-set ng cut loss? It's up to you if you wanna put a cut loss in copy trading, right? You have full control of your money. If you want to put a cut loss, then you can. If you don't want to put a cut loss, then you can do that also. It's up to you. Okay? Tony May, travel vlog. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Pwede pa ba humabol sa eToro para sa bonus? Yes, hanggang bukas po ang bonus natin, yung promotion natin. I posted about this, guys, di ba? Ang sabi ko is extended ang promotion. Right here. I placed it on top, I believe. Yeah, promo extended. Andyan po sa page ko. I updated you guys. October 18 na po ang deadline. So, meaning, yeah, madidelay yung payout natin. Pero, magpe-payout po yan. Hindi po scam yan. Ipopost ko yan. Oy, guys, may payout na. Right? may proof of payout pa. Right? So, we'll just wait. Just be patient. Mapapasa inyo po yan. Juvie, hindi pa naman Pasko eh, di ba? Juvie, sir, ano po gamit yung charting sa international market? I use tradingview.com for my, kasi mas klaro para sa akin comparing instead of eToro's charting. Sunday, Dirk, Dane, Medina, good morning, Sir Lloyd. CHIB po. Thanks to CHIB. Laging paasa to eh. Ganda na ng support ni CHIB. You can test out the support if you wanna trade it out. I think this is gonna be doing well for CHIB. May downtrend po tayo dito. The best will be a breakout from that downtrend. Subukan nyo po. If ever mag-breakout ito ng downtrend, which is malapit na, then you can enter there. Okay? John Bon Cavil, sir, good morning. Ask ko lang po, sino-sino lang po mabibigyan ng bonus na eToro. Thanks po. Ang mabibigyan lang po is those who created the account using my link and funded for the first time this October. Yan, kung first time nyo po mag-fund this October. And then, you send me a message. Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 para malagay po kayo sa lista. Okay? Sa Financial Freedom 101 po, wag po sa personal messenger ko kasi yung personal messenger ko, hindi ko na mapapanood lahat ng messages. Grabe. Ganito nangyayari sa akin ngayon, guys. Sorry. So, kasi as much as possible, we want to answer inquiries, yung mga messages ng mga tao personally. So, what I usually do noon is, I budget 1 hour of my time to answer everyone. So, ngayon, ang nangyayari is sobrang daming nag-message. 1 hour, sinasagot ko lahat. And then, ayun, kinakain yung isang oras ko. And then, after 15 minutes, puno na naman inbox ko kasi nag-replyan na naman lahat. So, ang hirap. But, as much as possible, we want to reply to everyone. Okay? Pasensya na if medyo delay yung mga sagot ko kasi sobrang busy talaga. Sobrang puno yung inboxes natin. Good morning, John Boncaville. Good morning, sir. Yan. Roderick Palau, thanks, sir. Thanks for your recommendation, Sir Lloyd. I already sold half of SMPH. Enjoy your earnings, Rodek. Right? RB, Necesito. Ayan, andyan po si RB, eToro Day Trading. Yan po nag-comment na yan. Good morning. She is our co-speaker for the seminar. You can follow her YouTube channel also because she's starting to create videos for day trading also for eToro, which is gonna be very helpful for you guys. Joseph Tanel, Sir Lloyd, pwede po bang paki-explain yung copy open trade option sa eToro? I think we still have time. When you copy someone, let me go to my virtual portfolio para wag tayo ma-aksidente. So, when you copy someone, for example, tignan ko sa low risk score, gusto ko malaki ang kita, gusto ko. So, punta ako sa medium risk score. Let's say ito, si Zimin Lethel, right? So, he earned 69.49% in the last 12 months. That's amazing return. So, I want to copy this guy. Okay? So, for example, copy, and then, ito na yung option na copy open trades. Diba? So, if you click on copy open trades, that means kung anong meron si Zimintel sa portfolio niya ngayon, lahat na ito, kokopyahin nyo at mag-open kayo kaagad at the current price. Right? The current price ng stock na ito, which is here. Right? So, which is the buy. So, pag copy nyo open trades, makakopya nyo lahat. Now, if you untick copy open trades, meaning ayaw nyo pong kopyahin yung open trades, lahat na itong mga na-open na, hindi nyo mapapasok. Right? Hindi nyo mabibili yan. Okay? What happens is, kung mag-open siya ng bagong trade, for example, he opens a new trade for gold, and onwards, yung future trades niya lang ang makokopya ninyo. Okay? Maganda ito, hinahawakan niya pa habang nasa pula. That means he thinks that these positions are still gonna go up. So, I would recommend copy opening trades habang napakababa pa ng mga position para pag nag-recover yan, mas malaki pa ang kita nyo kaysa sa kanya. Okay? So yeah, that is copy open trades. Hopefully naintindihan niyo po. If you have any further questions, you can send me a message on Financial Freedom 101. Right? So, yan, Joshua James de la Cruz, maganda din po ba yung Alco, Sir Lloyd? Yes, definitely, it's a good company. Right now, si Alco, nasa support pa rin, right? Support for Alco is still holding. So, I'd say yes, maganda pa rin to. Mayroon nga lang tayong downtrend. So, let's see if it will go further sideways. Get in this support if that happens. Okay, let me go forward. And thanks din for recommendation na pasukin si AGI. Si AGI is starting to go up already. So, congratulations. Nag-earn na kayo sa AGI. Rodek. Angel Diala, hi Sir Lloyd, Pure Gold at Meg. Right, si Pure Gold, nagpo-pullback pa. Medyo malaki yung bentahan kahapon volume. Let's see what will happen for Pure Gold. Maybe it will confirm a support that will be very beneficial for us. That will be an entry point. So, right now, wala pa. Then si Meg, antayin lang natin ang pullback ni Meg before we wanna enter. Robert Miserio, Sir Lloyd, many thanks po for your advocacy. Dami kong learnings, more power. Thank you so much then. Happy to help. JR, nakakopy rin ba yung cut loss sa eToro? Yes, automatic po yan. Pag nagka-cut loss, for example, you're copying me, and if I have a cut loss on a certain stock, if I exit the position because of my stop loss, mag-i-exit din yun sa inyo. Right, John Cornejo, thank you so much, sir, for being very helpful. Stay healthy and more power. Happy trading. Thank you so much. All right, so we're able to read all the messages. Reminders lang, guys. Gan, si RB is already placed 53 for October na competition. September po, si RB placed 11. Yan, nasa 11 po si RB. So, that's a very big win for her. 105% for last month yung earnings niya. If you wanna be like RB, join our seminar. Register lang po kayo sa Financial Freedom 101. Andun po yung registration instructions. RB and I are gonna be sharing to you day trading secrets, strategies for free. Right? If you wanna make this your career, kung may 1 million si RB, naging 2 million na yung pera niya. Kung may 100,000 siya, pinang-trade niya, naging 200,000 na yun. So, that's very good earnings in just a month. Okay, and she's already doing well for October. So, how is she doing it? We'll share it to you on the seminar. So, Pinay po yan. Very proud of her. Good job, RB. Right, so she's placed 54. 33, nag-update na. 33.69 for her position right now. But that's still very good. Okay, and if you want to create an eToro account for your self-trading, or if you wanna, if you wanna copy people, please create an account using my link because that helps the channel a lot para po mapagpatuloy po natin yung libreng serbisyo sa lahat ng gusto matuto finance. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. As always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone.